Hey, what are you doing, Brat? Forget it. What? No. Oh, shoot. What are you doing? Hey? What are you doing? Onyx. Hi. I know. Hello. Hi, Trouble. Hi, Trouble. Don't bite. Ah. Good girl. Okay, you gotta be gentle. Yes, my love. Who's a pretty girl? Are you a pretty girl? Who's that? Is it Siesta? Siesta. Hello, my lovely. This guy's just like, Cooper is the cutest. Aren't you, sweetheart? Are you a good boy? Yeah, you're going home tomorrow. You're going home to your family tomorrow. Hey, are you happy? Yeah? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Hey, puppies. Siesta. Siesta. Hello. Silly dogs. He's getting under here. You guys having fun? Yeah? Are you having fun? Good. I'm glad. Don't destroy any of my furniture, okay? Oh! My siesta. Hello, my lovely girl. Yes. Cooper. Onyx.